Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can create a new account on the PayPal platform. So let's start. First of all, open the PayPal app that you previously downloaded. As you open it, you will find two options. One is to log in and the other is to sign up. Since we are creating a new account, tap on sign up. Now enter the email address to create a new account. You should enter a legitimate email address. Then after, it's time to enter your phone number. As you enter your phone number, you will receive a verification code through SMS and the app will itself verify your phone number. Then after, it's time to create a password. After creating your password, it will ask for your personal information such as your nationality, first name, date of birth and so on. Now enter your address, click on the user agreement and then tap on agree and create account. Then after, you can either link your debit or credit card or simply tap on skip, then tap on continue and allow. After completing those steps, your new PayPal account is successfully created and it's ready to use. Well, that's it for the video on how to create a new PayPal account. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.